Oh my god. Ah, that hurts. So Bob, how'd that feel knowing that Venom just kicked your ass? It freaking hurts. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. Yo, what's up guys? It's Transformers 337 and I'm doing a review on my plane banks. So here I have two, as you can see, one there and one here. I'll do this one first. And here is the first one. Again, I don't know what any of these numbers mean or anything, but they're planes. The cockpit, then that's where the money goes in. To take the money out on this one, well, I'm trying to. You just flip that open, and there you go, right there. See, that's where the money will come out. Then I like this one's my favorite. It looks more sleek. But here's that. The only difference with this one is you have to use like a key kind of thing. I lost the key over years, so there's that. They have all of them have moving propellers. This one's kind of tight, so it's hard to like swing it freely. Well, this one doesn't. So to compare them, let me move this one out of the way. To compare them, here is that red one. Oh, and I don't know what any of this, like text, ACO14, or the same thing up here, or thing right there. I don't know what any of this means. So what I'm gonna do, here's the wing. Here's movie 1, Battle Art Starscream. This is kind of bigger, but that's leader. That's all like Voyager sides. Here it is compared to a deluxe. Just stand. The wingspan's pretty big. So there's that. There's that one. Here's the other one. The gray one. Again, I don't know what this is. Sky Chief. Right there. Or whatever those numbers mean. I don't know any. I think this is the company, thinking about it, that made him. Could be wrong. Like, I don't know what any of this means. Again, that's where that. I don't know if this works or not, but if this cockpit comes off, and I don't know why, it just always did, so it just snaps right back in. They're very good collectible things. To compare this one with, here he is next to, again, Starscream. Basically same size. Here he is next to Cyclonus, a deluxe size. Same thing, almost. His little tip thing here comes to right about there. So there's that. And yeah, well, thanks guys for looking at this video and subscribe. Oh, one more thing. As you know, I was gonna do my other Marvel Mega Block guys, but I decided I'll do those eventually. I'm gonna spread out the episodes of those. So, but alright, well, I gotta go. I'll talk to you later. See you in the next episode, video, whatever you want to fucking call it. And remember, subscribe, like, comment. See you all later on Transformers 337 channel. Take us away, Bob. Ugh. Help me. Ugh. Oh my god. Oh, Bob, you okay? No. Oh my god, that hurt. Wait, what is that? No! Oh my god! No! Venom, don't do that! Oh my God! Stop, Venom!
This is so amazing here. There's no cooking or cleaning. I get manicures and massages all day long. And I can read a magazine cover to cover without being interrupted. The world totally treats me like a princess. I love it here.
See, and I admit how you throw out my beanie baggies when they rip. So the beanies they don't fall out of the baggies. I'm sorry, but I missed how you pumped out my basketball so they were always
Oh! What happened, Bob? Venom. Uh-oh. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, I'm sorry, you guys don't suck. How does that feel, Bob? Kinda hurts. I call a doctor.